सांगोर्डा भाड्याच्या फ्लॅटात रावपी परफ्यूम तज्ञ मोनिका गुर्डे या 39 वर्षाच्या महिलेचं निर्गुण प्रमाण खून झाला। हातपाय बांधून दवरिल्ल्या अवस्थेत पुलिसांक तिची कूड सापडल्या। खुनाआधी मोनिकाचेर बलात्कार जालो असो दुबाव पुलिसांनी उक्तायला। मूळ महाराष्ट्राचे आणि उपरांत तामिळनाडूचे भारत राम अमृतम या फोटोग्राफर वांगडा तिचे लग्न जाल्ले। 2011 सावन मोनिका गुर्डे गोंयांत रावताली। पुलिसांनी कूड ताब्यात घेवन पोस्टमॉर्टमाक धाडल्या अशी माहिती डीआयजी विमल आनंद गुप्ता हांणी दिल्या।
Yesterday around 11:30 the information came that a dead body of a female is lying in an apartment. So on that the police came and found that dead body of a lady was found in one of the bedroom with both the hands tied at the back of the bed, and the lower part was nude. Okay, so then on further investigation it was found that her name was Monica Gude. She is basically originally from Nagpur, Maharashtrian, married to one photographer who is from Tamil Nadu. Okay.
What is his name?
So
Bharat Ram Amrutam.
Bharat, yeah.
Ram Amrutam.
For the last 1 year they are living separately. They had some certain issues, and then she took this as a flat on rent. She was staying alone. So this is the history, and we have sent the body for postmortem. So we are waiting for the postmortem result. Saligao police station got information from this Parvarim police station, because initially the information came to Parvarim police station. They got it from the police PCR. A maid had come as per routine. She used to come between 9 to 11 in the morning. She came, nobody was responding. She tried to contact her, no response. Then she informed the brother of the deceased. Brother contacted the neighbor. So neighbor along with the husband came and opened, because she had one key with them. She used to keep one key with the neighbor. So in case she is away or maid comes or anybody comes, they can get the key from the neighborhood and open it.
So do you think it is a person accused, maybe someone known to her?
Apparently the entry seems friendly. It means the person must be knowing to her, because there is no apparently struggle or breaking open of the door or window. The layout looked undisturbed. So it means, it seems that the entry is friendly.
सर मोनिका का बैकग्राउंड कैसा था सर?
Background, in a sense, we have not found anything adverse till today. Only she was in a photography, and subsequently she has taken over this making perfumes, and she was expert in that, and she was coming out with her own brand.
उसका
Father was a magistrate in Mumbai, small causes court, but she lost her father.
तो कितना साल से गोवा में रह रही थी सर?
From 2011 onwards.
सर उसका हस्बैंड का और मोनिका का अंदर कुछ क्या ऐसा दुश्मनी था, कैसा लग रहा है?
It doesn't look like it now, unless we probe from all different directions. As my DIG has said, we are probing into all the angles, whatever angles we find, and then we'll come. Even post-mortem is not yet performed.
बट मोनिका अकेली ही रहती थी क्या?
Yes, sometimes she was alone here, sometimes her family member like mother, brother used to come and stay.
इतले मजगती शुक्रारा सकाळी माडेगाळ काकोडा हांगासर रावपी शोभा अरविंद नायक करमली या 70 वर्षाच्या जाणटेलीचो ब्राउन टेप गळ्याक बांधून खून जाला। चोरयेच्या उद्देशान खून जाला आसूं येता असो दुबाव पुलिसांनी उक्तायला। घरातले 1,20,000 कॅश आणि LED टीव्ही ना जाल्या।
Today morning at about 10:30 hours, an information was received that one Shobha Karmali, age 70 years, was found murdered in a house at Kakoda. So after getting the information, Puducherry police immediately rushed to the spot, and we took stock of the situation. We found Mrs. Shobha Karmali. She was lying in a bedroom, and it appears that prima facie she has been strangulated to death. We have done the Panchanama, we have conducted scene, we have conducted inquest over the dead body. We used dog squad fingerprints, and the dead body will be sent for postmortem examination at hospital, and we are conducting further investigation of this case. Around 1:20 1,20,000 has been stolen and one TV is missing from the house. We are verifying that.
आणखी ते क्लू दिले मिळा
Subject we are investigating. So far we have not got any clue, but we are trying to find out.
RDX गुवाहाटी सांगोलड्याच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार आणि कुडचडेच्यान मयूर नाईक.